Arlen, can I tell you a secret?
Oh boy, secrets at work are always dangerous. Tell me.
Many English learners think native speakers use perfect textbook English at work.
Oh no, not even close.
In real life, native speakers talk fast, short, simple, and sometimes lazy.
Exactly. Today, we teach you how native speakers really talk at work.
Welcome to today's episode,
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the English Leap podcast.
a safe space for learning real English, not school English.
Yes, real English. The English people actually speak at work.
Today's topic is powerful, practical, and fun.
And perfect for beginners and office workers.
We'll show you how native speakers speak in meetings,
In emails
in quick conversations.
and during problems at work.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
Okay, ready to go inside a real workplace?
Let's step into the office.
Liora, tell them about your first job.
Oh no, that was a disaster.
Perfect. Start talking.
I was 21. I got my first office job.
Good start.
On day one, I entered the office and thought, okay, I know English. I'm ready.
And then?
The manager walked up to me and said, "Hey, morning, all good? We're going to kick things off soon."
Oh yes, classic native speaker speed.
I understood zero. I only caught morning.
That's at least one word.
Then someone else said, "Can you shoot me that file?"
Not shoot.
Exactly, I thought he had a gun. I didn't know "shoot me that file" means "send me the file."
Yes, native speakers use strange phrases.
Then another coworker said, "I'll ping you later."
Ping?
I thought he was going to hit me. I was so confused. I almost cried.
Poor Liora.
But then my trainer said, "Relax. You don't need perfect English. You need real English."
Yes, that is exactly what we teach today.
And she taught me simple native-style phrases.
And today, we teach them to you.
Circle back. I thought he wanted us to stand in a circle.
Then he said, we need to touch base.
Touch what?
Exactly. Touch base means talk briefly.
Native speakers and their strange sports English.
And then someone said, let's wrap this up.
Oh, yes, wrap this up means finish this.
But I thought we were wrapping gifts. At the end of the meeting, I felt like I needed a dictionary and therapy. Talk about something again later. Let's circle back later. Have a short conversation or check-in. Let's touch base tomorrow. Finish something. Let's wrap up the meeting. I will take care of it. I'm on it. I will do it. Will do.
Many learners think natives speak like books.
No, they speak short, quick, sometimes lazy.
For example, "I'll message you later."
Example, I'll ping you after lunch.
Very common in offices. "I'll ping you." Send me an email.
Natives almost never say, please send me an email.
They say, "Shoot me an email." Shoot me an email. Everything is okay.
Use 100 times a day. We're good.
Okay, I agree.
One of the most common work phrases ever. Sounds good.
Let's have a quick meeting online.
Let's jump on a call.
Now, your turn to embarrass yourself.
Fine. Here we go.
Tell them about your first workplace meeting.
It was chaos.
Tell us.
The manager said, okay, team, let's circle back later.
You know the funniest thing?
What?
Native speakers also don't speak perfect English.
Yes.
They say gonna, wanna, kinda, lemme, gotta.
Even in meetings.
Yes, even managers speak like that.
And beginners get scared.
But it's just natural pronunciation. For example, I'm going to, I'm gonna. I want to, I wanna. Let me, lemme. I have to, I have to. I gotta. I want to ask something.
Let me check.
I gotta go.
Now, let's talk about how native speakers greet each other at work.
Very simple, very short, very fast. Examples. Morning. Not good morning, just morning. How's it going? All good? What's up? Repeat. Morning. How's it going? All good? What's up?
Tell them the famous "how's it going" story.
Oh no.
Yes.
Fine.
Start.
My manager asked, "How's it going?" And you?
I answered, "It goes by car." I didn't know he meant, "How are things?"
So cute.
He laughed for 3 weeks.
But you learned.
Yes. Now I know it simply means, "How are you doing?"
Natives say, "Morning." Yes, and my manager replied, "Bro, just say, can you give me more info?" That day, I stopped writing like an English textbook. Can you give me more info? Quick question. Thanks for your help. Small talk is important for work relationships, but beginners don't know what to say. Here are some easy ones. Busy day? How was your weekend? Coffee? You working on something exciting? Repeat. Busy day? How was your weekend?
Did you make friends in your first job?
Yes.
How?
With one sentence.
Which one?
Hey, how's your day going?
Simple.
And she smiled and talked to me.
That's the power of easy English. You don't need perfect sentences, you need friendly sentences. I'll ping you later. I'm on it. Sounds good. Let me check. Can you explain that again? Quick question.
Okay, Arlen. In part 1, we taught many natural work phrases.
Yes, and beginners loved them.
Now let's teach a few more, but very simple ones.
And then we end the episode with a warm message.
This means it's okay.
Example, no worries, take your time.
Means I will look at it.
Example, I'll check and let you know.
Use this when you are finishing a task.
Means, let's not make it complicated.
Means, can you explain step by step?
Very useful for difficult tasks.
Repeat after us. No worries. I'll check. Almost done. Let's keep it simple. Can you walk me through it?
You sound more natural already. Liora, remember when our boss asked you, how's the project coming along?
Oh, yes. I panicked.
And what did you say?
I said, it is coming slowly.
But then you learned to say,
Almost done.
and the boss smiled?
Yes, because simple English works.
To everyone listening,
You don't need perfect English at work.
you need simple, natural, everyday English.
Native speakers talk fast, but they also talk simply.
And you can sound natural too.
One phrase at a time.
One day at a time.
One small step every day.
We believe in you.
Your English is growing,
Your confidence is growing.
and you will do great at work.
Truly.
Thank you for listening to the English Leap podcast.
In the comments, tell us, which phrase will you use at work?
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
See you next time. Bye-bye.